In this video, I'm going to talk about an AI tool with the help of convert your long form video into the shorts like this, and the part it is automatically going to add the emojis, the transcription, the subtitles. All you need the YouTube video link from your YouTube channel, or you can paste any video link in this platform here, and after that you can even edit these things, add the manual emojis or manual sound effects, all the editor thing you are going to in this AI tool. So hey, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to review the Minvo. This is the AI shorts generator that's going to turn your long form videos, whether it's in your YouTube channel or your desktop. Just paste the link and it is going to automatically find the best places of your YouTube channel or the best parts of your video and convert them in the reels like this one. So without wasting any more time, let me get started here. So right now my lifetime deal is back again on the AppSumo. If I talk about its monthly pricing, click here and you will see the monthly pricing starting from around the $5 a month. This is for the annual, but if I click here on the monthly, you see it is around the $15. So without paying this monthly subscription charges, how you can use that? The best way is to use its lifetime deal. So you can get access lifetime deal here on anywhere on the official website. There's the hidden website that software marketplace called AppSumo offering right now its lifetime deal starting from the just $79. So without paying the monthly subscription, just pay the one-time payment and you are going to get all the features that their official website is offering, all these features. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we need to log in the platform, so simply log in once you got its lifetime deal, and this is how its board is going to look like. Okay, so you need your YouTube video link that you want to convert into the shorts, or you can also upload it from your desktop. So simply let me copy this video link here. So let me copy the link, let me go to the Minvo, and after that you can see I have already converted some of my videos into the shorts here, and I want to show you how you can get started with the scratch. Simply click here on the upload, and now it will ask you to load whether from your desktop or simply go to this import button, and here you have to paste the URL. No matter it's in your YouTube, the Facebook, you have to need to simply paste the link. Click on the import. Now start importing. Compared to the manually uploading, this is the fast process because it's available on the web. And now I'll show you which kind of this stuff or what you want to do with this video, whether you want to turn the video into the clips or the shorts, or you want to add the captions, you want to post or schedule for the your social media other platforms, like you want to it for the TikTok, you want to schedule the reels, or the we have also in these reels kind of the features in the LinkedIn, so we can do that. So or you want to translate it in the other languages because it supports the 50+ languages. So these are the 4 core objectives it is going to show you. Firstly, I want to turn it into the clips, so I will select one and now it will start working. So you can see here you can select the duration of the movement, so I will go with the around 30 to 60 seconds because this is the best here. And after that, if you want to add some instruction, this is the optional. If you want to add, you can give or not, don't give. And there's the language option. Suppose you don't want the subtitles in the English, so you can change the language. It supports all the popular languages like the German, French, Gujarati, Hindi, all those stuff. Plus here are the interesting features, like you want to add the magical frames, cuts, emojis, media and emphasis, you can enable this one. And you can also select your titles colors. These are prime colors for your subtitles, you can select from, or you want to add the sound effect, the music, you can also enable this one. So once you enable all this stuff and configure these manual things, click on the shorts, and now AI is automatically going to turn video into the clips. So it takes some times around the 3 or 4 minutes. It depends on the video duration, how long are your video. So once this is the things done, it is going to give you the notification or the alert in your mail as well. So right now you can not only turn your video into the movements or the clips, you can also turn them in the blog post, in the quotes, in the timestamps, in the titles, or in the description. So this is good for you if you haven't just uploaded your video on the YouTube, but the title and the description you are also getting the optimized and the SEO optimized description and the title that you can use while uploading your these clips. Okay, so right, it is taking time. We have to wait around the 3 to 5 minutes. So till it is into the clips, we can explore its other features as well. So you can see this is processing. So we have this another feature available, that is the social. So with this social, connect all your popular social media profiles like the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and after that within the same platform you can use the Minvo to schedule your content here. Use this calendrical view. So if I talk about myself, in the account section I can see all the platforms I can connect here. I have connected my YouTube account, LinkedIn, here's my TikTok account, and there's also the Instagram, the Facebook account connectivity. So once you connected that, you can just easily go to your videos that is already converted into the shorts. For example, this already I have converted. Now simply I can just open all I have got with the help of Minvo, and in the schedule button I can schedule them whatever the time or for whatever the social profile I want to publish it. So this is the thing I want to talk about. So right now see it's in the editor panel. Okay, so let me also give you the walkthrough of this editor panel. So by default, if you want to put something in your already clipped shorts here, like to change the color of this subtitle here, or you want to change the background music, sound effects, or you want to change your transcription, you can do it from here. So this is on the right side got all the stuff. Plus we have also the other features available, like adding the audios. We have framing system available. This is the frame, okay, and this is the transcription. Okay, so you want to change the some spelling mistake, you can do that. Let me show you. So for example, I want to add something. That's how you are going to customize and edit the stuff you haven't liked in the short here. Okay, so if you want to do one click enhance all this stuff I showed you right now, or enhance your audio, then simply click here on this enhance button. It is going to enhance your audio automatically. So that is the extra feature I have talked about as well. Let me get back here and show you how you can schedule it for your different social medias. So right, video is processed. So let me open this one and show you all the clips it has generated for me out of my that longer video. Yes, it's got open. So I got the three reels here. Okay, you can see it looks really good. I got this title, I got the subtitle, subheadings. This is the another format, and this is the another. So once I am happy with the reel, what I can do, I can simply click here on the generate title, or I can click here on the export, and in the export I can post it straight out of my social media profiles, or I can simply download the file. Click here on the post to social media. Now it is validating all your connected social media profiles. Now taking you to that scheduling platforms. Okay, post to social media, again the same process, and we are here to schedule on anywhere on different social media profiles on to publish it. With it I need to download it and again upload on that social media platform. That's how you can also use the Minvo. Okay, so I have given you a detailed overview on this platform, how you can use it, those are the features, and right now there's the good chance because you can get a deal without paying the monthly or yearly subscription charges. So it is only going to last for the 7 days because it is back for the Black Friday, and right now you can get the 10% extra discount. So this is the $79, and if I click here on the buy now, you will see you are getting the 10% extra discount. So this is the million. Pricing is after the 10% extra discount is the 63. Okay, this is after the $19. Let me tell you why, because I am also a plus member on the app, so I am also getting some extra discount here. But don't worry, after around getting the $8, your pricing will be something like $71. So this is the chance around the $70 you are getting this amazing tool for your lifetime. So make sure you get it here, and suppose you are not happy after buying, don't worry, there's also the 60 days money back guarantee you can also get here. So that's all this video I want to talk about. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want detailed videos on these kind of the AI tools or the softwares, you can watch these videos as well. Make sure to subscribe the channel as well to stay updated with me. Bye bye, take care.